Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and I'm looking this morning at a book from Jordan Publishing, which is Community Care Law and Local Authority Handbook, now in a second edition and written by Jonathan Butler. It's this book here. It's a heavy book. Again, there's a nice bit of blurb on the back, which gives you an idea of what it's about. It runs to 560 pages odd. Useful index at the back there. The structure of the book, again, there aren't any footnotes, but what you have got are very useful paragraph numbering for the chapters, which is very helpful when you're trying to find particular things. There's a lot of case law, which is obviously to be welcomed, and the book itself has a useful introduction to the second edition, which sets out what this book is really about. We've given it the title on the web and in the journals of A Practical Guide for the Practitioner, the tools you need to deal with community care law, and that's really what this is about. It's an important area of law. It's an area which is quite high again on the agenda at the moment for many people, and this book provides a commentary really on community care services and the law relating to it, and it looks at the local authority role in particular and the responsibilities that go with the obligations that they have in what is really a complex and diverse subject. It's so diverse that the barrister or solicitor advising on such matters is actually faced with a formidable task, and that's really where Butler's book comes in. He's a specialist in the area, and the book has actually been described variously by judges as in terms of community care law as piecemeal, labyrinthine and exceptionally tortuous. And really what Mr. Butler is doing is trying to give you some practical understanding of how to get round or through these real difficulties. So fortunately for us as lawyers and non-lawyers alike, who are charged with understanding or advising in this often fraught area of law, the book itself is actually a great addition, now of course in its second edition. It's a boon to the busy barrister, not to mention social and health care professionals. It's, as I say, just over 500 pages long, and it covers all the diverse statutory materials that go to make up the legal framework that you have, including things like the local authority circulars. New material includes 2 new chapters on social housing and asylum support for this edition. And can I just finish by saying that we like Butler's quote from Dr. Johnson, as reported by Boswell in the preface. Knowledge is of 2 kinds. We know a subject ourselves, or we know where we can find information upon it. So if you seek information or insight from within the tangled web of community care law, this book is where you know you can find it. So thank you to Jordan's and to Jonathan Butler. Thank you. Bye-bye.